Welcome to the Auto Brainiac channel. Today we are comparing the BMW X5 from 2004 the BMW X5 from 2025, a difference of more than 20 years of safety evolution. Interestingly, both cars received a good rating in frontal crash testing. But let's take a closer look at what actually happens. As you watch both cars at the same time, you'll start to notice some key differences. Right here, this is where the gap begins to show. In the 2004 model, the front structure collapses deeper towards the cabin, bringing the impact closer to the driver area. Meanwhile, in the newer model, you can clearly see more airbags deploying, covering a larger area and offering better protection. As a result, everything stays more contained inside the cabin. And this is what over 20 years of safety evolution looks like. More protection, better control, more coverage for both the driver and passengers. Now, here's the real question. After watching this, would you feel safe driving the 2004 model today? Let me know in the comments. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this type of content, check out the other videos on the channel.